How to fix Windows has detected an IP address conflict error on Windows 10/8/7. Here are some possible solutions that would help you fix Windows has detected an IP address conflict error on Windows 10/8/7. Solution 1, restart your router. Solution 2, disable then re-enable your network adapter. Solution 3, and renew your IP address. Run these commands as admin, netshare int IP reset c:\resetlog.txt. IP protocol configuration /release IP protocol configuration /renew. Solution 4, remove static IP. Solution 5, your network card driver using the official resources. Solution 6,